How to draw an alien spaceship, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to want to begin by drawing our first alien in the center of our page. In total, we're going to have 4 aliens that we draw. The first alien that we draw here will be the largest. Right now, we're just drawing a large circular shape for the outline of the head. Nice! Now let's go ahead and draw the outline of the eyes. The eyes that we draw will look similar to slanted oval shapes. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this, so if you want to see any other videos, then be sure to subscribe. Well done! Now let's go ahead and draw the outline of the lower body. We can begin by drawing the neck along with the shoulders. To draw the neck, we'll make 2 small lines going down, attached to the bottom of the head. Now let's go ahead and draw the arms as well as the hands. This will all be connected to the neck that we just made together. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. That way, you won't fall too far behind. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now let's go ahead and draw the torso as well as the legs. The torso will be connected right in between these 2 arms. Whoa, this looks great! Now let's go ahead and fill in the eyes, as well as draw the mouth. I'm going to fill in the eyes 2 different ways. The first way, I'm going to leave a small white dot in the top center of the eye, and the second way, I'm going to fill it in completely black. You can stick with whichever method you like the most. Now, just like I said a little earlier on, I'll now go ahead and fill in these 2 small white dots completely black. For the last step before I color in this alien, I'm just going to draw a small mouth by making a line going from left to right. Great! Now I'm going to skip ahead and color in the alien that I just drew with you green. Then, I'll proceed to draw the rest of the image that I previously shown in the beginning of today's video. Let's begin by drawing a small spaceship right above in the top of the page. The first step here will be to just draw a simple line going from left to right. Now attached to the top and bottom of that line, we're going to want to draw two more shapes. The spaceship that we draw will almost look similar to a hamburger. The shapes that we draw on the top and bottom of this line will look similar to a trapezoid. Now on the very top of our spaceship, I'm going to draw a circular shape. This will be where our alien is sitting that will be sending down the larger alien. Nice! Now on the very bottom of the spaceship, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape. From this rectangular shape, we're going to draw a larger shape that will be enclosing our alien. This will be where we draw the color as if it appears if there is a ray beam shooting down the larger alien. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way, we can continue to connect with other YouTube artists just like yourself. Nice, this looks so cool. Now let's go ahead and draw the very small alien inside of the circular shape right above. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of detail to the alien spaceship. I'm going to draw simple lines along with circles so that I can go ahead and color those in later on in the video. But feel free to customize your spaceship any way that you would like. All done? If so, let's continue. Now let's go ahead and draw two more aliens on each side of the one that we previously made. Let's start on the right hand side. The two additional aliens that we draw will be looking as if they're the exact same as the one that we first drew, however they're going to be a little bit smaller. Since we're drawing these aliens smaller, it'll make it appear as if they are behind the one that we first made. If we were to draw them larger, it would appear as if they were standing right next to it. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. So now let's go ahead and draw the lower body of this alien, similar to what we did for the one in the center. Halloween's actually one of my most favorite times of the year, and I love to see scary alien movies around that time. Do you have any scary alien movies that you like, or do you like watching anything related to aliens? If so, let me know down in the comments below. Wonderful! Now let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left hand side. Keep in mind that it's really important that we keep everything symmetrical in this step. That means that we're going to try to keep whatever we do on the right hand side the same as what we do on the left hand side. Now let's go ahead and fill in these eyes completely black. It's almost kind of funny because the alien eyes that we draw almost look similar to Spider-Man eyes. Great, now let's go ahead and draw the lower body. Nice, we're almost done. All we have left to do is to draw the torso and the legs before we color. This is how to draw an alien spaceship with aliens. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.